Hello friends, welcome to our channel T10 Info. In this crucial situation you're getting bored in home, don't worry, here are some of the amazing facts about phone that might change your mood. So let's get started. In fact number 20. iPhone was iPad first. While the iPad arrived years after the iPhone had set the world on fire, the tablet was actually the original project Apple was working on when it came onto the idea of applying it to a phone. In fact number 19. Google didn't create Android. Android began as a startup aiming to create an operating system that would use digital camera devices that could access computer services. Google purchased them in 2005 for an undisclosed sum, though estimates put it at about $50 million. In fact number 18. Your Android is helping Google track traffic. Google Maps draws on data from its Android users to help measure the speed of traffic on the road, leveraging the GPS in every smartphone to help get a picture of how fast cars are moving. In fact number 17. In ads, iPhones are always set to 9:41. Look at any billboard, commercial, or print ad that includes an iPhone screen with the time on it, or iPad or Mac, and you'll notice that it's always 9:41. According to Scott Forstall, former iOS chief, the reason connects to the moment when the products are unveiled at the famed. In fact number 16. The OLED screen is the iPhone X's most expensive part. According to an analysis by IHS Markit, the materials that make up an iPhone X add up to $370.25. By far the most expensive part of it. The new OLED screen, costing $110 per phone. In fact number 15. Samsung will make more from iPhones than its own phones. Apple competitor Samsung actually manufactures a number of iPhone parts, including NAND flash memory chips, RAM chips, and, most recently, that pricey OLED display in the iPhone X. In fact number 14. On iPhones, you can take photos with the headphone cord. Though headphone cords will soon be a thing of the past, if you still have a now vintage pair of earbuds, you can use its cord to snap a pic. In fact number 13. Nokia users ain't loyal. When it comes to sticking with their current smartphone brand, Nokia and Motorola are some of the ficklest customers, with just 42% and 56% retaining their brand, respectively. In fact number 12. Android versions are named after sweet treats. After the Android 1.0 and 1.1, each subsequent version has had a tasty name. Below are the names of various Android versions. Cupcake, Android 1.5. Donut, Android 1.6. Eclair, Android 2.0. Froyo, Android 2.2. Gingerbread, Android 2.3. Honeycomb, Android 3.0. Ice cream sandwich, Android 4.0. Jelly bean, Android 4.1 4.3.1. KitKat, Android 4.4 4.4.4. Lollipop, Android 5.0 5.1.1. Marshmallow, Android 6.0 6.0.1. Nougat, Android 7.0 7.1. In fact number 11. There's a cat in the Nougat. Google likes to include Easter eggs in each edition of its Android, and in the Nougat version, by going to the settings page and tapping About Phone continuously will give you a chance to attract a cat using fish, chicken, or other treats. In fact number 10. Android is powerful enough for NASA. To test their sensors in the International Space Station, NASA sent two Nexus S handsets running Android Gingerbread into space. In fact number 9. Verizon passed on the iPhone. Apple originally approached Verizon about serving as the exclusive carrier for the iPhone when it launched. It was the largest carrier in the US at the time, after all. In fact number 8. iPhone didn't belong to Apple. Cisco actually owned the trademark for iPhone when the product was unveiled in 2007. The two companies had been negotiating for years but following the launch, finally reached a settlement. In fact, number 7. The first iPhone demo was almost a disaster. While it's gone down in geek lore as a major moment in tech innovation, the unveiling of the original iPhone at Macworld 2007 almost went off the rails for several reasons. In fact, number 6. Smartphones can see your blood pulsing. Who needs medical equipment when you have a smartphone? Apps like Instant Heart Rate can read your heart rate through your skin. In fact, number 5. The majority of Apple's revenue comes from iPhones. Laptops and tablets may not be cheap, but it's iPhones that bring in the vast majority of Apple's revenue. According to Statista, in the first quarter of 2017, 69.4% of the company's revenue came from its iPhone sales. In fact, number 4. Smartphones can see infrared. If you shoot an infrared beam right into the camera on your phone, it will pick up a purple beam on the phone's display. In fact, number 3. Cydia has a deeper meaning. Cydia, the jailbreak software in iPhones that allows users to find and install software on iOS devices, gets its name from Cydia pomonella, a species of worms that are partial to apples. In fact, number 2. Android represents more than 80% of the OS market. Android dominates the OS market, with 82.7% market share in Q2 of 2017. The most recent data from Statista, iOS accounts for just 12.1%. In fact, number 1. Smartphones can read barcodes. Just as they read QR codes, smartphones are also able to read traditional barcodes. This makes it easy to do everything from price comparisons to inventory management, especially if you get an assist from one of many barcode reading apps that are out there. Thank you for watching this video and press bell icon and keep it to all. Please subscribe our channel to watch our other videos.